Guys, it looks like we just got a shipment from Hivemapper. I can't wait to see what's inside. I know what most of it is, but I heard there was a surprise waiting for me. Anyone want to guess how many Hivemappers are in there? You're about to find out. But look at that. Finally got some swag. I can tell you what, I will be rocking this Hivemapper swag every time I hit up the deliveries. So, a great t-shirt. I got some hats. I haven't worn a ball cap in probably 20 years, but I'm about to start. And we are in Arizona, where it gets to a chilly 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to need that hoodie. Let's count these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll let you count the rest. Getting these Hivemappers set up is super easy. It's really is plug and play. I'll show you how I have my setup in a later video. But you really just stick it onto your windshield, plug it in, and you're good to go. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like a postcard. Oh, a little note. A little note from my friends. We plan to use these in Arizona and in the Philippines. Got some stickers here. My wife is going to flip when she sees me put these all over our cars. Anyway, looks like a good pile of loot. Happy mapping, everyone.